welcome to this video. So today I'm going to show you how to make iced lemon tea. And before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Naomi Kristi. You can call me Naomi. I'm from 11 Science 1. So let's get started. Ingredients that you need is 1/2 tea bag, a lemon, a sugar, an ice, a hot water, and the tools is the glass and also the straw. So let's get started. The first steps that you have to do is brew the tea bag to the hot water. After that, you can add sugar to the tea. And you can stir it. Step is you can squeeze the lemon. And the third step is you can add the ice to the glass. After that, you can add the tea to the glass. And also you add the lemon juice to the glass. After that, you can mix the tea and also the lemon juice. And the last step that you need is add the slice of lemon as a decoration at the edge of glass. And the lemon tea is ready to be served.